Hello guys, welcome to our weekly analysis on the FX Triads. On this week analysis, I will just point out some areas of interest and you'll be doing the execution once market opens. But first and foremost, before us here is our Forex factory, which should be the area to focus first before opening the chart for the new week. Right, on Monday we're not having any impact. On Tuesday we have red folders on USD by 2:30 GMT plus 1 and 3 p.m. right, Fed and the rest of it. And on Wednesday we have also a red folder. Then Thursday we have a red folder. Don't forget, this week is our NFP week. All right, so we're having it on Thursday because of the US bank holiday. All right, since we are majorly on FX Triad, Euro USD, USD and DXY, so we are focusing on USD impact, right? So we are ought to have it on Friday because of the bank holiday, so we should be having it on Thursday, the NFP. So the best days to trade, I will advise you should have a good trade on Monday, on Tuesday into early Wednesday, unless you trade the NFP, which is on Thursday. But at least you should have normal trades that give you good tips Monday, Tuesday into early, right, Wednesday. But you should have a good move on Tuesday, right? So get position and get good tips as we hop into the charts to know what the week puts for us. Yes guys, now before I tell you what to anticipate, don't forget to subscribe to our channel on YouTube, follow us on TikTok, and you can join our free Telegram for daily update on what price might be doing for the new trading week. All right, so on this chart, what do you see here on this chart? You can see GBP USD is the top chart, the middle chart is Euro USD, and the chart below is DXY. All right, what are you seeing here on DXY? You can see here on DXY, the recent Friday candle did not take the low, so we're having SMT. All right, SMT on DXY and SMT on Euro USD, because Euro USD Friday took off the Thursday high. All right, but on DXY Friday did not. We're having more or less like an equal low, right? Then we're having on GBP USD Friday did not take the Thursday high, so you can see there that GBP USD closed on Friday bearish, right, and Euro USD closed bullish. For those of you that trade other strategy, you should know what that means, right? You should know what that means. So we're having bearish on GBP USD and EU. We're having bullish. There's an SMT between EU and GU, SMT between EU and DXY. What does it mean? Though there's no full confirmation on it, but what are we to anticipate for the week? As regarding heartfelt analysis for the week, we want to go bearish. Don't forget, the market is still bullish on the overall trend. The market is bullish, so we want to trade a retracement. And you know, if you have been following us for a while now, you should know how we do it. When I say bearish, I'm not saying that all through the week we should go bearish, all right? But there are what to look out for before taking any good trade for the bearish. That means that doesn't mean we will not take a bullish entry when we see a good setup, all right? We can. But for the overall and for the sake of this video, we are only going for a bearish move. So what do you look out for? If you are to take a bearish move on GBP USD, we might anticipate price to either trade into a rejection block or take either of this high. If a rejection block here did not hold, wait for price to take either Friday high, stroke what, stroke Thursday high, then you look for entry. So whatever entries you have within Monday, Tuesday, you should target what? Target this level here. All right, target this level. Now let me go add something for you. Now, before you can go for a bullish at all, watch out how price closes around this level. if price wicks it up, right? If price should wick this line and closed above it, what do you do? The next day, or if you can get an entry here, just take your buy and let market do a thing. All right. But if price closed bullish, as in, sorry, if price closed below this line that I just marked, if price closed it, close, not wicked, if the body of the candle coming here close below this line, what do? You should be able to wait for price the next day to take that low before pushing to the upside. Just you can replay this and probably you will catch it better. All right, so we're going to go bearish, but what we anticipate, either market just start dropping, all right, or market react off this and this or this, and you look for a sell setup. Another alternative for a sell setup is anytime any high is taken, either Monday high is taken, either Tuesday high is taken, either Wednesday high is taken, look for a sell setup. All right, don't be greedy. Once you get to the range of that day, you can cut your profit, right? So, and for Euro USD, what do we anticipate? Do it as an SMT, but if the SMT is violated, no problem. If it takes the high, you can look for a sell. If it refuses, you can look for a sell probably on New York World Session, and you target this area. If price weak it, look for a bullish move the next day. If price closes below it, look for price to take that low before pushing the upside. But overall, we want to look for a retracement into this level. You wait for any high of the previous day to be taken before going down. You can see here on DXY, we have equal relative equal low, right? So price should, we also have what, we also have a gap here, all right, that needs to be filled. We have a gap here that needs to be filled. So whatever that happens, watch out for a bullish move here, and you watch out for a bearish move on Euro USD and BP USD. Here is to buy into this area depending on what price does on Monday or Tuesday. It's an NFP week, so very careful. Take advantage of Monday, Tuesday, and early Wednesday, and you should be good for the week. If you have any question, drop it, or whatever you have as a suggestion, drop it in our comment section, and I'll be there to answer when necessary. All right, till we meet for the weekend for a review on this. I wish you good luck and good trading. Let's go bearish, guys. Have a nice trading.